All right, now what I'm doing right here is I'm about to wrap some scotch tape around this cane right here so I can get the exact size of the diameter of my cane, because you don't want your design to be overlapping or you don't want it to be too short neither. So this is how I get that dimension just right. All right, here we have the diameter size. Now let's go to the drawing board. Now this part right here is self-explanatory. You just stay within these borders right here, and depending on your design, you make it as long as you want, but stay within this border. Now here's my design. Let's get it cut out and get it applied. Now this part here is real simple. Just get it taped to your cane in the exact area you want it, because you don't want it to slip and slide. So apply enough tape.
What's up? Hey, hold on, real quick. Let me put this on. All right, now YouTube. I usually do this part here with a knife, starting off, but I'm unable to find the tool that I'm looking for, so I'm gonna use a small little drill bit on my Dremel that etched out my design into my wood here. So you want to take your time and go slow with it, of course. Just like so. What you're doing is basically, it's like you're coloring in, but you're coloring out all the pieces that you want out. And I'm coloring all the pencil amongst out. And later on, we can go back and make that finer detail, but we just need to get the design onto the wood right now. And there it is, one just like that there in the picture already. You see what I'm going at? Y'all see what I'm getting at right there. right, I'm gonna do this whole thing right now. I'm not gonna sit and let y'all watch me do this whole thing, but y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace out.